if one of the biggest reasons your hair keeps breaking has absolutely nothing to do with your growth oils. Think about it. You oil your scalp every week, you spray your strand daily, you massage your head every single night. Yet when you look down at your sink, your hair is still snapping. It feels dry, weak, frizzy, and it breaks long before it ever has a chance to reach your shoulders. The truth is, your hair might not have a growth problem at all. It has a balance problem. Your strands are caught in a silent war between protein and moisture, and right now they are losing. Well, today we are fixing that balance. I'm taking you into my kitchen to make my absolute favorite. I really like it. We are going to need 5 ingredients: homemade protein and moisture mask to combat the dryness or frizz of your hair. It completely resets damaged cuticles, restores intense elasticity, and stops that endless shedding. Stay with me until the very end, because I'm also exposing the number one mistake most of the people make with DIY treatment that accidentally leaves the hair twice as dry as before. Stay tuned. Hello gorgeous, and welcome back to Evolver Official. Here we strip away the marketing fluffy and explore raw, natural hair care backed by real science. And let practical routines work. If you are ready to reclaim your crown, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and let's craft this remedy together. This recipe belongs in your weekly ritual because it requires just 5 simple kitchen staples. But when combined, they act like a cellular rebuild for your strands. Let's talk about exactly why your hair is starving for them. First of all, we need 1 ripe avocado. Think of avocado as deep conditioning therapy from the earth. It is packed with the monounsaturated fatty acids and vitamin A and E. When your cuticles lose their natural lipids, they rift up, causing that rough, frizzy texture. Avocado fills those microscopic gaps, smoothing down the hair shafts so it handles detangling without snapping. Next, we're gonna need very ripened banana. The more it becomes darker, the more the nutrients is being exposed. Your hair is going to need it. So, banana are rich in natural silica and sugar that gives your hair incredible elasticity. They are soften the cortex, giving your mask that slippery salon-like slip that prevents mechanical breakage when you are combing. Just remember, we are going to blend this until it's a liquid cloud. You never want banana chunks sticking to your curls. You know, a part of eating banana as a fruit, also your hair needs it. And the crucial thing, all kind of hair, whether you are battling with a frizzy, dryness, you can use it. Even if you are young or older, it is rich in potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, and protein, which can nourish the hair. It is also capable to restore it back to the hair. Then we add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Honey is natural humectant, which means it literally grabs moisture out of air and locks it inside your hair fibers. Okay? Because dry hair breaks easily and hydrated hair bends. Honey smooths the hair follicles and adds shine and moisture to the hair so that it can look very shiny and strong. Honey is one of my favorite ingredients. Honey also leaves the hair looking shinier and feeling smoother after washing day, so use it. To back up that, we include 1 tablespoonful of extra virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is unique because its molecular structure allows it to actually penetrate the hair shaft, also to prevent protein loss during your wash day as well. rather than just floating on top like heavy grease. And finally, guess what, Weeby? Now let's reveal everything. Finally, our secret weapon is mayonnaise. Don't overthink it. Mayonnaise is simply an emulsification of eggs, oils, and vinegars. It delivers a perfect dose of amino acids to reinforce weak hair structure while providing massive sleep, leaving your hair feeling incredibly soft after you rinse out. It's action time, my gorgeous. Let's blend. We have already dropped everything into our blender and we have already let it run until it becomes flawlessly smooth, rich, and creamy. If it looks like a luxurious pudding, you have done it right. A smooth mask is a mask that rinses out effortlessly. Now, for the application, always start on a clean damp hair. Section your hair into 4 equal quadrants. It depends on how long your hair is, but it's better to section it as a reason to ensure no strand is left behind. Focus the mask heavily from the mid-length down to your ends. That is the oldest, most fragile part of your hair timeline. So, finally, it is where most severe damage hides, so focus on that side. Once your strands are fully coated, gather your hair up, pop on a shower cap to trap your natural scalp heat, and let it marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse it thoroughly with a lukewarm water, follow up with a gentle shampoo. If you need to remove the oil residue, and seal everything in with your favorite rinse out conditioner, then your hair is going to shine and to become a bit bigger and more manageable. But before you run it to your kitchen, you need to know the one critical mistake that ruins this entire process. People get so obsessed with stopping breakage that they overload their hair with protein treatment every single week. If you feed your hair too much protein without enough moisture, your strand will harden, turn brittle, and snap off at the slightest touch. True length retention is a dance between strength and flexibility. If your hair ever feels stiffy or straw-like after mask, back off the protein and flood it with hydration. Keep in mind that natural hair care isn't about finding one magical product in a store. It's about building a gentle, consistent routine and listening to what your crown is telling you. Small, loving habit repeated over time always makes the biggest difference. My lovely queen, if this felt like a breath of fresh air today, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and tell me which homemade hair treatment you want me to test out and break down next. Don't forget to subscribe to EVOLVA official for weekly science part DIY recipes as well. If you want healthier hair routine, never hesitate to be with me. Thank you for spending this beautiful time with me. Take care of yourself and I will see you in the next one.